Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Today I'm going to show you the dry painting from my previous video, which turned out to be amazing. I love it. So let me show you. Check her out. Isn't she beautiful? I love it. Tell me what you guys think. I love how that yellow chartreuse shows up. Look at it. Absolutely a beautiful color palette here. I'm super happy with it. It dried completely the same. Look at my edges. I love it. And this painting is available for purchase. You can email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com or visit my website, fluidartsbyelsa.com. Check the paintings out. If you don't see them on my website, please email me. I will definitely get back to you. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue with a Dutch pour today. I was getting ready to create one of the texture ones, but I'll hold off until the next video. But I'm going to go ahead and create another Dutch pour. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, hello everyone. Here we are. And we are working today on this canvas that's already ready. It is a 14 by 18 inch canvas. And I am going to tell you the colors in just a minute here. I'm still trying to get myself situated. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my gloves on. And now, we are going to be working with a very funky color combination. And I hope that it turns out beautiful. So, we'll see what happens. My base color will be Titanium White by Artist Loft. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to flood my canvas. We'll be right back. Perfect. So, I went ahead, I flooded my canvas, torched out my air bubbles that are coming to the surface. Let me torch a little more. I do see them still surfacing. You want to make sure you pop those out. Okay. And like I said, we are working with a very funky color combination. And I am trying to figure out how this is going to turn out. So we are going to be starting with light ultramarine blue by Golden. So we're going to start with that. What composition do I want? I think I'm going to go here. That. Okay. So we'll do that. Maybe it's too much. Next, I have Permanent Mater Lake by Amsterdam. Beautiful color. And it's already looking interesting. So we're going to go ahead with this color. Okay. I am going to add right in between here and at the bottom some 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Just a smidge of this. Very light-handed. Just like that. Okay. Next I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. I told you guys this is a funky color combination. We'll see what happens. Next, I have Sunrise Yellow by Pebeo. Oh, I'm sorry, by Arteza. Sunrise Yellow. I haven't used this color, I don't believe. Kind of loading it. Okay. This looks pretty. And last, again, I have Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. And I love this green color. And I think I am going to load this one. Do want a lot of this color to show up. Okay. So those are my colors. I'm going to go ahead and pop the air bubbles. And we are going to begin. Wow, this is a very interesting color palette. I love what's happening here with the streak of colors. Love how this is developing up here. Love this corner of this petal here. And over here is just amazing. I love it. I'm only a little, maybe it's still developing, but the colors here kind of like blended underneath the white paint. But we'll see what happens there. But gorgeous. Love the edges. They're like ribbons of colors. And just the right places where the permanent Mater Lake kind of shows up. It's amazing. I am happy with what I see so far. So let me go ahead and torch out a little bit here. Other colors hidden. Beautiful. And there, and there. Gorgeous. But super happy. I love it. And you see the more it sits here, you can see how it develops. Super happy with it. I think I'm going to add some more white in here to create negative space. And I'll take some of this white here. I'm just going to drop this in just to open up the negative space here. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay, I'm happy with that. But yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, there's not much that I need to tweak here. I think it's beautiful. And you see, as it develops here, it's just full of color, a burst of, you know, brightness. I am super happy with this color palette. I am going to clean my edges up and I'll bring you in for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I am excited. I love the burst of colors here. I love how bright and airy this is. Look at the webbing here. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous colors just popping through. Look at the webbing. I have some lacing in there. I have some ribbons at the edges of these petals. Gigantic cells. I don't want to come in too close because it kind of distorts the colors. But look how beautiful this is. I am so excited. Take a look, guys. This is just beautiful. Beautiful in time for spring. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm surprised at this color palette. Take a look at that. It is just a burst of colors everywhere. It looks like candy. This is going to be my candy land. It's gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I am going to show you with the flash on. I want to see if we get, yes, we do. Look at that shine from the 24 karat gold. See how it blankets over? Just beautiful. There are pearl colors here. Oh, I love that color, that piece right here. Look at this edge. Absolutely beautiful. I am in love. I am loving her. What do you guys think? Beautiful. Yes, definitely for sure. I'm happy. I'm super happy. Love the composition. I love that I added the negative section here, kind of like more pronounced. And I have negative spaces throughout. And most of the canvas is covered. What do you guys think? I'm excited for this one. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like and comment. Love it. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.